Hello, so I've recently started a newsletter on Substack and I would love it if you would subscribe. There's a free option and there's a paid option, and I'll put a link at the end of this video. But I wanted to talk to you today about gold stocks and a report that I've put together. Now, gold stocks are famously volatile. If you buy them at the right time, they can make you a great deal of money, but buy them at the wrong time and they can lose you a great deal as well. Just ask anyone who was around in that bull market of the noughties or in the bear market that followed between 2012 and 2015, and they'll back up what I'm saying. Mark Twain, the famous American author, he lost a lot of money speculating in mining stocks. I think he ended up bankrupt, so much so that he ended up coining up the phrase, "A mine is a hole in the ground with a liar standing next to it." And he was probably misled, to put it mildly, or ripped off even by a promoter. But the thing is, mining needs promoters. It needs salesmen to go out there and say, there's loads of gold in these rocks, and sell people dreams, basically, because that's how they raise the money to drill the rocks in the first place and then develop the deposit. On the other hand, as well as money being lost, fortunes have been made in mining. Some of the biggest fortunes in all recorded history have been made in mining. Now, I've recently stumbled across this special situation, and it's one of those right place at the right time. And it's a gold stock that seems to have all its ducks in a row. And I know from experience that these kind of opportunities do not come around very often. But it just seems to be right place, right time. It's not one of those exploration companies that might strike it lucky. It might hit the mother lode and make you 10 or 20 or 100 times your money. This, or just as easily lose you your shirt. This company already has a huge and well-defined resource that's backed up by all the proper protocols. And it's a resource that could grow, and it's getting ready to go into production. But I think it's going to get bought out first. It has too much going for it. And it's just the kind of thing that a major is looking for. Lots of well-defined ounces, easily mineable, lots of options in a safe jurisdiction in the Americas, in North America. And yet it's trading at a price per ounce that is 1/3 of the peer average. It's trading at less than $20 per ounce in the ground. Bear in mind that gold is $1,900 per ounce. And my view, or 1850. Now, my view is that in the next 6 to 12 months, there's a real opportunity that it could double. With some help from the gold price, it could triple or more. There are just a very few deposits like it in jurisdictions this secure. And I think the market's missed it. And that's why I think that in the next 12 to 18 months, one of the majors is going to take this company out. And with all this in mind, I've put together a special one-off report on this unique opportunity. And I know I don't usually push anything on this channel beyond my thoughts, but I think there's a really good chance that this stock will double over the next 6 to 12 months, 6 months. And I wanted to let people who follow me and support what I do know about it. And that's why I've put this report together. Now, you can either buy the report directly from my website, or you can get it by subscribing to my new Substack channel, to the paid option. And I'll put links in the description below. And if it's of interest to you, then take the plunge and buy the report. But take a look, and hopefully any winnings, if you follow me into this trade, I should say I own stock in the company, will more than cover the cost of the letter. And if you do have winnings, you can buy me dinner as well. So thanks very much for your support. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video very soon. As you can probably tell, I'm in the GB News studios. I'm just going in to do headliners in a couple of hours. So wish me luck, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheerio.